Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a tax refund with ID. Me. First, understand that ID. Me is a trusted partner for identity verification, ensuring your tax refund process is secure. This system helps protect your personal information and prevents unauthorized access to your tax accounts. It's a crucial step for many online interactions with government agencies, including the IRS. We will guide you through each necessary step. To start, navigate to the official ID. Me website and select Create an ID Me account. You will need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Next, follow the prompts to verify your identity. This often involves uploading photos of a government-issued ID like a driver's license and a selfie. Sometimes, a video call with an ID. Me agent is required for full verification. Once your ID, Me account is fully verified, you can use it to log into your IRS online account. Look for the Sign in with ID, Me option. After logging in, navigate to the section related to your tax refund. This might be under your account or a similar heading. Carefully follow the instructions provided by the IRS to submit any necessary forms or check the status of an existing refund. After submitting your refund request, you can track its progress using the IRS Where's My Refund tool, accessible through your IRS account. Most e-filed refunds are issued within 21 days, but some may take longer due to additional review. Keep an eye on your bank account for direct deposits. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.